Yeah. What's up, people? I just want to walk you guys through how to use the Tradingview platform to your own advantage. A lot of people have been contacting me, messaging me, telling me, hey, what's up, the Kings? What's up, this? How do I get started with Tradingview? I don't know how to download Tradingview. I don't know how to do this. I don't know the indicator I'm going to use. This video is going to show you guys the indicator that you need to use, the time frame, the tools, and then how to get started. If you don't know how to download Tradingview, the link is in my description. Just go to the link. And sorry guys, it's raining over here, and I'm really sorry. You just need to listen to me very well, because if I don't do this right now, I don't think I would have a lot of time to do that next time. So I just want to walk you guys through the indicators that you need to know, and probably everything you just need to know about Tradingview as a beginner. Right now, let's get into it. This is my Tradingview. This is my own trading. I'm logged in already. This is my own Tradingview platform. Signed in already, and then I'm going to walk you guys through just step by step. But before I do that, this is the King's Academy, the King's channel. You are welcome. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome, and returning members, you are welcome as well. Do us a favor, you know what it is. Like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, share to your friends as well. So looking at the left hand side, please follow my cursor. Looking at the left hand side, you see this number 6. Click on it. After this is after installing the Tradingview account on your system, or probably your phone. Okay, now your system. After installing this Tradingview on your system, you click on this left hand side, then this place says sign out. You're going to click on sign. It's going to say sign in on your own. Then you click on sign in, follow the prompt, and then you are going to be in, just like mine. Okay, now we're starting from the trading. We're starting from the time frame. I use the 15 minutes, the 1 hour, the 2 hour, the 4 hour, daily charts, weekly, monthly, and 3 months. If you want to add more to this time frame, you click on this. You see this drop box, just click on it. Then you see more. This is the minutes, the hour, the seconds, the day, range. If you want to add more to the minutes, click on it. You see, I just favorite the 15 minutes there, just only the 15 minutes there, and then I'm everything that I do right now, I just hope you are going to apply it as well to your own chart. I favorited the 15 minutes. Do that as well. In the hour, I favorite 1 hour, 2 hours, and 4 hours chart. Do that as well. Daily charts, I just favorited the daily charts, the 1 week chart, 1 month, 3 months. You might probably don't need this 3 month and the 1 hour chart and 1 month chart, but definitely you are going to need the weekly chart, which is the 1 week chart, and the daily chart. Favorite these two. You get that now? Just click on this star, just something like this. You see these two? Just click on it, and it's going to be favorited. That is it. That is it about daily chart. If you want to favorite any other thing, just favorite them yourself. And then looking down, this is the candlestick pattern. You see all these things you are seeing, it's called candlesticks. Everything you are seeing right now, the red and the green, it's called candlesticks. Looking at it right now, we are on a 4 hours time frame. Follow my cursor, please. We are on a 4 hours time frame. So everything that happens in this chart means they happened within 4 hours. You get that now? Everything at all, you see, everything happened within 4 hours. You getting that right now? This current candle printing, we call all these things candlesticks. We call them candlesticks. Everything you are seeing right now, all these green and red, we call them candlesticks. This current candle printing is a 4 hours candle sorry, and it's left with, follow my cursor please, it's left with 3 hours 0 seconds 06 seconds and 06 minutes and 43 seconds 42 seconds. That is it for this candle to get expired. Do you get what I'm saying? Each candlesticks in this video, in this chart that you are seeing right now, represent a 4 hours candlesticks. Everything you read, a lot of this one in particular, this one from here to here is a 4 hours candle. This small green 4 hours, this small red, everything you are seeing is a what? 4 hours, 4 hours candlesticks. However, I would like to walk you guys through all these tools. Look at this left hand side. You need to know everything about all these plays. Looking at it from the top side, this is the cross, this cross working all around, this cursor working all around. You choose the one you prefer. I choose the cross, and then you do see it. That is the cross they're working around. Then the trend line is the second one. Click on this drop box. Then you see I favorited my own trend line. I favorited the horizontal line, the horizontal ray, the parallel chain. These are what you just need. Let me tell you, these are just all you just see. I don't want you to bombard your Tradingview account with a lot of indicators, with a lot of rubbish. You get confused. That is it. So I'm just walking you guys through what I think you should know, what I think you should use, what I have been using that has been helping me. It has been helping me a lot. And as a beginner, right from start, these are the things that I've been using, and I've been using them since then till now, and it has been helping me, making me profitable and all of that. So I think you should know that as well. So looking at this place, this is the Fibonacci retracement. I only start the Fibonacci retracement. The rest of it, I don't think, probably when you go through the Tradingview account, you walk around through it, and then you know more about all of this. You can as well start to use the rest of it. But for me, I only choose the Fib retracement in this angle. And then looking at this, I choose the brush, the highlighter, the rectangle, the path, the curve. All of these are very, 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 they are very, very important. The brush, the rectangle. The rectangle is very, very important as an indicator, as a beginner. It is very, very important. The path, the curve, and all of that. You can choose your own. This is the text. If you want to text everything, look at it. I don't choose anything here, but as well, I always use the text pattern. Probably let me choose it right now in front of you. I favorited it. That is it. Then look at these patterns. I didn't choose anything here as well, so I think you don't need anything about that. So how to take long position, short position. Look at the long position. This is the short position, and that is it. These are what you need. These to take a position. You need these two to take a position. Probably you want to take a long position, you want to take a short position. These are the two things you need. But however, if you've gone through all of these, you've learned a lot. You can as well use the forecast, the data range, the price range, and all of that. Then looking at this is the measurement. If you want to take a measurement emoji, the zoom in, the magnet, the stay in draw mode, lock all drawings tools, and all of that. You getting what I'm saying now? Then I favorite everything you favorited. This is just what you're going to click. You click it, and then you get all of it right in this corner. Do you see it? You get everything right in this corner. Then let's go through to the indicators that I use. I favorited, you see, I favorited the average true range, the high, low strategy. Actually, I don't need this again, but as a beginner, you need it to know the high, the lower lows, and then and all of that. Money flow index, money average divergence, the moving average, the relative strength index, the stochastic RSI. You definitely need the stochastic RSI. You need the support and resistance just for you to know the support and resistance of each coin like this. Looking at this live chart, you don't know the support, you don't know the resistance, but I do. So using this indicator, support and resistance, you will definitely get to know where is the support and where is the resistance of this live chart. But looking at it right now, I know where the resistance is, I know where the support is, so I can easily draw my support and resistance using this trend line. Are you seeing it? Using this trend line? And then this is where you're going to see all the coins available, all the coins, everything. You're trading on stocks, you're trading on crypto, you're trading on in the index, you are trading on forex. Yeah, this is where you're going to see all of them. And then this place is the data window. You see everything you need to see. This is the hot leaks. Just, you see, as a beginner, you need to walk yourself through everything about this Tradingview. There's a lot in this Tradingview, and just make sure you use what you are seeing to your own advantage. But I'm just trying to let you know the things that are useful for you. You see this alert, you need this alert a lot. Probably as a beginner, you're not used to all of this, and then you must set alert. Set your alert. Set it. Set your alert. You see, you want to set the price to any price you want to set it to, so it's going to alert you. Put it there once or every time. Put it there, then create it. You see, create, and that is all. When the price gets to that exact amount you created, it's going to alert you, and all of that. It's going, you see, okay, you see right now, alert on. Did you see? It alerted me. This thing alerts me that the price has gotten to what? 1.1348. So I know that, okay, the price has gotten to that place. I click OK. Then I do whatever I want to do to it. Do you get what I'm saying now? So you need the alert as well as a beginner, because you are not used to all of this. So you might not remember. You might not remember you are even dealing with Tradingview. So the alerts will remind you as well. So I think that is all you just need to know. The EMA moving average exponential, you need that a lot. You choose the EMA you want to look, you want to choose probably I'm actually using the 100 EMA and the 50 EMA, which is this one. Look at it here. I'm using the 100 EMA and I'm using the 50 EMA. That is it. The green is the 50 EMA, while the red is the 100 EMA. This tells you that when the red is above the green, it means downtrend. When the green is above the red, it means uptrend. And then all of this is just to show you the movement of the coin. And then I made a video about trend line. So without using this trend line, without using this EMA, you should identify your trend by yourself. I made a video about it. So you can just as well just scroll down and then watch the video about trend lines for beginners. That is it. Trend lines for beginner. Without using this EMA, you will identify the trend directly by your own self. I think that is all you just need to know as a beginner. That is all you just need to know. Don't just go and bombard your TradingView platform with a lot of indicators that will put you into trouble. A lot of indicators without not knowing how you're going to go about it. It will definitely put you into problem. A lot of problem. You blow up your account. You do a lot of things with your account. And I think if you follow this strategy, if you follow all these indicators that I show you right now, these are all the things you just need to know. I've been using these things since I am a beginner. Till now, I still use them. Actually, I use a lot of strategies and all of that, but I still combine. All these ones are still my main priorities. They are still my main priorities. What I've learned when I was a beginner, they are still my main priorities. So I think these are the best things for you as a beginner to use as well. You get that right now. So these are all I think you should know as a beginner. Thank you. And thank you very much.